Hi, I'm Lorna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are at the Kansas City, Kansas Ren Fair. And I look a fright, but it's cold. And we brought Robert with us. He is a Blythe, boy Blythe. I bought him some time ago before they got so expensive. And he has the icy head, which I just love. And this is my trick for getting out of paying, and that is to take the camera back off while they pay for the tickets. But as you can see, there is a good crowd here, and I mean there are literally busloads of people. It is fantastic. Katy did not get her hair groomed, but she did get this cute little souvenir that I'm tying to her harness, if I can. It's a little short, to wear to prove that Katy paid, and now she's gonna go have fun.
And prove she's a canine good citizen.
Yeah. Well, I can't get it in a bow, but there it is. That's her souvenir for today.
Okay, my volunteers! Officers! Anything. You get something, and the audience will applaud you.
That looks great. Yeah.
That by a sword, so we put together sheets like this and we repeat this up, and that will give us eventually a suit of armor.
If you look closely at those, you can see the flat head of the rivet on one side and then the little bump on the other side.
No noise, no blood!
Go very well on that.
That's his name.
They even have a chain so we don't run away.
How funny.
She recognized it right away.
Yeah.
So.
And then she was saying that this is not the first Blythe doll that has come and bought a sword from her channel. And here's your $1. Thank you very much.
Make her do that because I'm not.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate
Very
it.
nice.
Katy's watching the jousting. Darren and Orion absolutely love Doctor Who, so we had to get their picture here. Robert lost his crown. He's calling around to see if anybody found it. Okay, look over there.
And then from there,
Yeah, I knew what he was doing.
one finger down.
We had such a good time. We got here when it opened. You can see that the cars have thinned way out. They're going to close in just a few minutes. In fact, Darren said, talk fast or we're going to be in traffic. Robert's crown, I was just kidding that he lost it. He had a good day. I think the most amazing thing is that when Robert bought his little sword, the lady knew what a Blythe doll was because there was one there the week before. Now I have to search YouTube and see if I can find that person's video. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.